How to change out a wheel hub assembly on a 2006 Chevy Silverado. Gather around and grab your favorite 22mm socket. Break your lug nuts loose while your truck is still on the ground. Locate your jacking points and start jacking up your truck. Use jack stands as a safety precaution. Story time. We watched a YouTuber take some fuel lines off of a New Edge Mustang at one point or another, and they said simply remove it. We had done everything but simply remove it. Now anything that gives us remotely any problems, we simply whatever until it's done. If I find the video again, I'll tag the person down below, but it is very funny to me now. We both use it quite often. Get your 22mm socket ready, and let's go ahead and remove your lug nuts completely. Let us know in the comments down below what you're currently working on your project car. Routine maintenance, getting ready for race day, let us know. Remove your wheel and tire. Remove the 3 clips holding your ABS wire in place. After that, simply unplug your ABS wiring. You don't have to be worried about being delicate with these clips. There are new ones on the new wheel hub assembly. Yeah! Drench all your caliper bolts in some PB Blaster or your favorite Looby Dooby. Grab your favorite 18mm socket and go ahead and remove your caliper bolts. Have a couple zip ties or one long zip tie on hand ready to go before you take the caliper completely off. This is going to help secure it in our next step once those bolts are out. Remove your caliper from your rotor and start looking for your zip tie. There's a nice place for it to lean right against the spring there, and then there's a nice little spot or two that you can zip tie it together. This is just to keep weight off that brake line while you're doing the rest of this project. Evaluate how fidgety your fidget spinner is. Yup, needs replaced. If your rotor has the set screw on it, go ahead and remove that with a 30 Torx bit. If your rotor does not have a set screw on it, go ahead and get ready to remove your rotor. And if you're a while you're in there kind of person, go ahead and check your brake pads and your rotor at this point for wear and tear. Go ahead and remove your rotor. Go ahead and grab your favorite Looby Dooby once again and go ahead and spray down your wheel hub assembly. Also go ahead and grab your 15mm socket and get those bolts removed. Your wheel hub assembly will definitely need to be persuaded. Keep that mallet out and ready. Grab your favorite pair of safety squints, safety glasses, safety goggles, sunglasses, regular glasses, any of that, and a wire brush. Let's get to scrubbing. Remove as much grime and debris as you can from where the new wheel hub assembly is going to be located at. Brake clean a rag, any kind of wire brush really does a great job. You don't have to spend a whole lot to make sure that you get a good surface contact. Apply anti-seize to your wheel hub assembly and go ahead and put some thread lock on your bolts. If you have a helper, that's awesome. If you don't, maybe use a rolling stool or a small little table so that way you have something beside you while you're installing all these. It's kind of an all hands on deck situation. Place your bolt in so that way it's lined up. Go ahead and grab your little shield there, put it back on, then put your wheel hub assembly on. Loosely secure those pieces with your bolts. Make sure everything is lined up properly before you fully secure your bolts. Secure all your bolts. grab your torque wrench and go ahead and torque these no more than 75 foot-pounds. Don't make a righty-tighty a righty-loosey. Don't end up on car fail videos. Don't become a meme. 75, no more. Thank you. After you're done with that, reinstall your rotor. Pro tip here, go ahead and put on one of your lug nuts so that way your rotor stays secure. This is really great if you don't have an extra set of hands as well. Then go ahead and remove that zip tie from your caliper and reapply your caliper to your rotor. Get some Loctite, go ahead and put that on your caliper bolts and reinstall those as well. Torque your bolts to 113 foot-pounds. Anything but the metric system. America. Reattach your ABS wiring harness and the new clips. Reinstall your wheel and tire. Remove your jack stand and slowly lower your vehicle. One more round of tightening before we send her off. Anywhere from 80 foot-pounds to 90 foot-pounds is a good range for these lug nuts. Thank you all so much for being with us today. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.